Welcome to ACN, the Liberation TV of Ambazonia. Ambazonia Defense Forces, the vanguards of the Ambazonia War of Independence. At ACN TV, your lies will be crushed, your narrative will be buried, and your revised and distorted history will be exposed.
So sorry for that short interruption. I want to try to share some of the links for Facebook page. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those who want to watch me straight from ground zero, we're going to get into the details of our presentation today. Will be exclusively about two topics. One, now the issue for the lockdown for Bamenda. There is no lockdown for Bamenda. Would I inform all the transporter them where they come in and out of Bamenda, say me then continue with their activities as normal. So there will be no lockdown in Bamenda. We could just continue with our normal regular country Sunday within every Monday. So we could also take una for inside the great city for Bamenda for look into the barrier of the four Pikin them way La Republic to come around their terrorist forces them that kill them for inside Bamenda. We will take una into that situation. Some video footages and way we go to bring up una. as well as we get also an interview where we then conduct after after our investigation into the killing of those speaking them. I will play the audio them from those interviews so that we gonna hear. We will also release the audio them for WhatsApp format so that all our people then wait for ground zero, especially the one who they get problem for data, they go be capable for listen for those audio them for find out exactly what way happen with our picking them for inside Bamenda. We'll not go through a lot of news briefing, but as usual for this show, we'll start with the music where it been a time for we for welcome all man way there for Facebook. So if you not watch me for our TV, we'll get people the way they watch me too for Facebook live, so it be more interactive with them. The phone line too, it will be open. So if you watch me live for ground zero, you go fit call for express yourself and for give your opinion as we go throughout the show. My phone number na it is for Obie. When I see my phone number, when I call me directly for WhatsApp during the time for call. But right now we will go straight. My time for me for welcome all man. So I go play some song. I think it's an old song where I don't play for my last show for welcome all man. While I prepare myself for get into this big presentation for today. So it will take me into a lot of videos. So me gonna be when I should don't find when I wait as we go through. And I go now the song this I'll go and play them today. I think the song way all man know I may be familiar with all. No, this one the wrong song. So excuse me. Sorry for the technical problem for choose the wrong song. So I'll go bring on back for the right song for today. Okay. So now time this if you they watch me for Facebook, when I mention for the comment section, the place when I did, when I community I go to on salute and we will go into our show. First of all, I want to congratulate them for the wonderful work they done do for Victoria. So I will salute them all, our general, the way they did for that program for Victoria. I want to salute them all by name. I want to salute Commander Sagat. I want to salute all of our forces the way they come out for Una Mutengen area, the way they come from Mountain Lions. I want to salute them. I want to salute also General Popo, Spirito, Shadow, and not leaving out our big captain, small picking for the Ambazonia Defense Forces for Paco, and all those forces them I want to salute now. Call my cafe day up on a place then day.
Akudirinderero mwana mwana wanzeru line uyulinderero mwana mene mwana wanzeru.
Yeah, General. Are they live now for TV and for Facebook? Send out that message. Okay, you go outside now. You talk now. You talk now so me all man hear you. You go out now. You talk now so they live on Facebook. Yeah, you go out now. Okay, I send it right now. If you check on Facebook, you feel the program on Facebook. Yeah, I'll send you the link. I'll send you the So all man be welcome. As you say, Eric, Maureen in the line, this somewhere they live online. They also see Carlton Leonga they online. Maurice Asaluruna, come on way, and watch me live on Facebook. Come on in place there. I want to salute all our people there. Inside the great state of Manu, the great state of Meme. I want to salute our people that for Kupe, for Paku, and for Lebialem, for Meza, for Boyo, for Kui, for Kitunja, Dunga Mantu, and for Menchu. I want to salute Mauna, General Caporal. I want to salute General Hassan. I want to salute all of our general and give them a shout out. I want to salute also General, our big general today we and deliver with this message, General Cobra, and all our people there for Bamenda. I want to salute them. The people there for market, I want to salute them. The people there for Moto Park for Intan Gwen, I want to salute them all. And to salute our Mamido they said, the Manjama for other side for Bailey, for Corners the upstation for our salute them all. They together all man the place day. On a cafe then they go up. So, ladies and gentlemen, honor be welcome. We're going to go directly to our program for today. My very special program will be dedicated to the people of Bamenda in particular, where they for the crossroad. A lot of things that they go on, and I would want to announce to people of Bamenda say there is no lockdown. There is no lockdown. The so-called lockdown way is Anu, we don't declare them here in Sako, we don't reject them. Our forces they don't reject them. Our traders they don't reject them. And we will tell our wife. So, ladies and gentlemen, once more on a welcome for this show. We will shoot directly into the show. Yeah, yes. Thank you. Jemeli mama mwe, iya meli mwe, iya gare, kunali jemeli. Iya meli mwe, iya gare, kunali jemeli. So, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, we are welcome once more for this show, the No Conny Talk Zone. Now, program this will advocate for Ambazonian independence. We will support Ambazonian independence, we will campaign for Ambazonian independence, and we will bring forth all necessary ways and we will reach for Boya as quick as possible. For this show, we believe for talk the truth and nothing but the truth. Because we believe that the truth it be very important and the truth na a key for safe way. I also be a civil liberty activist where I believe for public information. So the public need to get access for critical information them about decision the way they make them for their life, as well as decision the way other people they take them, where they affect them. So they do investigation for provide for una, the Ambazonian people them all the information the way they go on concerning the Ambazonian revolution. Would also for this show will speak truth to power, hold leadership to account, for make sure say every leadership, any leader, any group where they make promise for the Ambazonian people then, na promise where they fit keep them. So they try to help them as well to make sure say me them fulfill those things and way they fit do where they promise the Ambazonian people. Now the things and that what they do for this show. Now no Conny Talk show. We me say we no want any Conny. We want me outing then they straight. Me outing they go before. We no want bemben people. We no want bemben talk. When any talk it bemben with the straighten up. When any man he lie we can't tell when I say the man he don't lie. When some man na ye man will tell una straight. No Conny. Yes, na me no Conny. Ambazonian FBI. Because the stakes are too high. Our people are being slaughtered on a daily basis. The gravity of this struggle no be thing to play with them. Now why that will be very important. Say make we talk the truth. Make we know the truth. For any decision whether they take up. Because it go boil down say it will affect your life. For this show, we will not believe for any man in lane. You talk say na your own side this, na your own group this. So long now for us and for Ambazonia, it concern we, it concern all man. We know the thing say na man is group this, na the man is soldier this, na the man is own this. No. Soldier for ground zero no be toy, no be a property. They is safe na Ambazonia. The groups them now only an instrument for save the country, for save the flag. If you do for any group, you must make sure so that group they do the right thing, they go for the right direction. No, they cover up the group just because you did for the group. If you do for one group, you see say that group you know they do fine, leave that group, go for another one. Leave that group, go for another one. No man no be perfect. And people they be perfect today. Sometime tomorrow they no go be perfect. So must be very flexible for understand all this complexity them. And one of the most key things we need to know, now say we dey for place we dey today because of conspiracy. The world conspire. They make kind contract them for under back table, lies telling, deception before they don't carry we Southern Cameroonians and Bazonians and put it for place we dey. Jongu Foncha, with all the administrators, the way the people they be trust them for give them their vote, me them be the leader them, the executive side for our state, then go for United Nations. La Republic, then vote against our independence. You know, be open their eye. Maybe the eye be open. Maybe the odds were too much. But we must make sure, say whatever mistake, whatever short sight will be get them for the past, may we solve them for this future, for this present, so that the future it will be better. May we learn for the 43 years we'll stay for Nigeria, with the more than 50 years we'll stay for La République du Cameroon. May we learn from all these things then. Why will we come up for Nigeria? Why we want to come up for La République? So that we not go become like a failed state. Because you see the people there for Egypt, they be say they no one dictator, Hosni Mubarak. Now they don't get Sisi when I was dictator. The people there for Tunisia, then we come say the one Chakara country, they fail. The one there for Burkina Faso, they fight against the French system. But wait till they get them it was past the one way they fight for. So it be very important. Say maybe we not make the same mistake with other people that don't make them. But maybe we focus with the blueprints to know exactly the type of country we want them to be a free Ambazonia. And for we to attain that objective, we need to start demand today, practice today, which we want them for tomorrow. We need to be very clear, unambiguous of the aspiration of our people and our hope for tomorrow, so that Boya will be what we want, not what we wish, not what we imagine, and it doesn't come true. So my phone line it will be open today for receive call them, in particularly for Ground Zero, concerning this lockdown by infiltrators who don't reject them, and the people for Bamenda don't reject them. We don't get a lot of call from, particularly from the driver, their sector them, where they do one carry passenger them for come out for town, and why they do one carry passenger them from Yaoundé, Douala, Bafoussam, a cock where they do one enter for inside our territory. They ask we so that me them be sure, say me them no come can enter for shock. So I will come, I will give una the message where our general, our overall commander for the whole Mezam state, he then release a video. We will release up exclusively for this program, and then after this program we will create a WhatsApp version for release them for the general public. So ladies and gentlemen, that was my opening statement. We will start today with some light news items will be important to set the stage before we go for our main presentation for today. The first thing we want to talk on today, will happen for Ground Zero. Make una pay notes for these things because na very important issue them. And also today the major issue we want to talk about this lockdown, and also for talk about the boy them way they don't kill them for Bamenda, the teenager them, and our call for protest. We call people that for Bamenda, me they rally themselves, me them protest against these killings the way La République they kill our people them. I will present that one for now, as well as I will play the audio from the interview from that boy picking them, and then we will receive phone calls from our people them. So call they come now. So we need to receive call now, we will receive call later. So my country people then we will go straight for the presentation for today. We run to see a campaign for inside our national territory, how Francophone them, so-called La République du Cameroon citizens them, they then begin sponsor Ambazonian artists them. Say me them ban Nigerian music for inside our territory. Make I bring the picture. When I really talk to people that they lost sense. Our people them they know I don't understand why some people them where you believe saying that they be supposed to be the eye for our people them. They will behave in this so primitive way. Let's say they no get sense. If we know very well our history, our artists they don't suffer. Forget light, forget lamplight inside La Republic of Cameroon. Even for play their music for inside FM station, for Bamenda, for Boya, for Kumba, for Tico, they need to give them the chance. Or they sponsor them for music for that country. Now francophone them. We ran this for years. They promote only francophone them. I remember as a young man, I be even try one go for dance for Delhi. We no be there we. Even the anglophone the way they travel for Yaoundé for holidays. We no be get chance to be perform for Delhi. But I be a very famous dancer. People already know me for school, for BHS. Bamena they come in at and Emma Bobo. People they know me will be a very, very famous dancer. I think I will be the best for all the school the way we go. So what people they don't suffer. If no be saying a Nigerian movie, Nollywood and Nigerian musics, the so-called anglophone artists they no forever get a market for sell their music. Our musicians, them, our fashion design, our beauty no forever show for that country. Now because of Nigerian movie, when La Republic start listening to English music them, they start be forced to play music, English music for inside Yaoundé Douala because of P Square. Because of all these Nigerian stars ready to come up. Because of the one for Ghana. You start enter Yaoundé. I be go Yaoundé when I be CB student, you know if you pass for bar you hear any English song. Never. With our English song then they must sing for French. Even the one way we try a four come till he can sing that is somewhere they talk with French now wait till he be speaking Egyptian language. So today Nigerian music they don't open door for we. Francophone them they start pay money sponsor the so-called anglophone them. Una see now this. Now fly at this banning or reducing the influx of Nigerian musics. So now it is now our own anglophone them anglo food and this way they are on the Bulu Betty sponsor them. They pay our own artists them, me them begin fight against Nigeria. They don't know say they fight against them. They don't know say they block a chance for their own picking and the other artists the way they will come after them. So we want to talk say now the type of elitism this, now the type of brainwash this way our people they don't go the so-called elites them. We feel say now they go to show light for the people, the lay people them. But instead, now they destroy any hope. Any man will go get a small pot for Yaoundé. You don't get a small job. You go just be satisfied. You don't want any change. Because they fear the change go can they'll lose their position. Then be selfish. They need to care about the common man. Now the problem in that way they go. So would I also notice La Republic then come out with a barrage of propaganda against the leader of our liberation, Dr. Cho Ayaba. We don't see the Rango begin share all pictures of he and the family. Before this struggle, it was start to make all type of slangs against the leader. We don't also see say following a publication by Mimi Mayfor concerning the speech with Dr. Cho Ayaba it make for ground zero. For make and clear for all forces them. Say there will be zero tolerance for any force where go abuse our civilians them. Where go kidnap for ransom innocent people. Dr. Cho Ayaba be make that audio addressing a specific death of one soldier where they call it Tramadol as una for the newspaper. It no be the talk saying that they conduct that for all Ambazonian forces. Because we know say the vast majority of Ambazonian forces and our sister forces them now volunteer the way they work hard for the country. Now just on small rotten potatoes and they where they pain we very badly, especially for Bamenda. Kidnapping for ransom. We run tired. So now anyway Dr. Cho is saying that strong message against those particular soldiers, not before all soldiers. Detractor they don't try for twist them, for distort them, for spoil the name of Dr. Cho Ayaba and for destroy our struggle. Because the people the way they try to turn this talk with Dr. Cho Itokam No people where they want Amazonia independence. Because by attacking our people, by discouraging our people, they destroy the revolution, they need to destroy the leader of the revolution. So our people, they need to understand and they need to be mindful of those type of people then. So we also want to be very happy for the attack we will carry out for instance Bamenda. People that for Bamenda, if you have been noticed, they ran block, they be block road for instance Bamenda day. They block road for instance Bamenda, I think I not get the pictures. From Bamenda to Bangui road, they be block that road for day. Because La Republic du Cameroon, they try to hide the dead body of their soldiers and media population, they don't know for know the successes they will get them and for see the defeat where they be defeated for the battlefield and for not allow our people to meet them be inspired for rise up for fight for freedom. So we carry out a successful bomb attack for the as a reprisal for the attack against these youth them where they be killed them for Issa Bamenda. And one will be very happy with the result of the attack. They will block that road so that they will move the dead body for their soldier them. Me no man in no sabi. Once more at one time our soldier them we then take part for help for stop La Republic making no organize this nation's cup for inside the city of Victoria. I want to thank specific soldier them. We then send soldier them today. Sagat, Commander Sagat, the soldier they then come up for Ekona, Munyenge. I want to thank them. I want to also thank the mountain lions them. I also want to thank Spirito, Popo, and General Shadow when they send them. And to thank General Shadow particularly because now he be the commander where he lead all the coalition forces them where they be gather for inside Tico Day for go for attack for inside Victoria. They are already be deployed for the field. But one of the things will be happen I say when this soldier will be go for the rendezvous point, this Chris Anu and Sako again then declare lockdown for inside inside Savannah Atlantic State. He give La Republic du Cameroon the chance for enter for inside Tico, disrupt the movement of those soldiers them. They even kill one innocent civilian for I think that my 16 or my 17 for the way they became come up outside because every time when they declare this lockdown without consultation of the actual soldiers on the ground, they mess up everything. Now we receive videos, we receive audio of one of their frontline communicator them, this boy they call in wait himself again. So on this small boy, where they used to they call in a 66 teeth or wait, I don't forget that nickname. He talk about how the last state gather money 10,000 yeah for some boy they call in a format, he chop the money, all those type of things them, and they fail to understand say those things them come about those corruption, the infiltration of those our groups them, they fall for FACO not because of this their county by county issue where they bring up. So today they complain. That will be make those statistics detail and say this thing where they call and say government it could destroy this revolution. They not be they listen. But one thank God say the ADF and the governing council they be stand and they be remain focused for keep arming the boys them for building that base so that our boys are going to fight effectively to liberate our homeland. So one thank those forces them for their and I want to thank in particularly Captain Small Pekin for his leadership in the ADF and for the ADF and all the people where they did donate money for the ADF as Sudan supply weapons and they granted the widow soldier they need them and for inform the Ambazonian people because the truth is very important. If you don't know the truth, you know will know the right way to go. For that coalition forces the way they go for inside Victoria for go attack Victoria. Now only one group is donate money for them. The ADF. When I ask the soldiers, now only the ADF send money for them. But when I say A don't collect money for abroad, B don't collect money for abroad, we need to know the bad group them for abroad. Our people they need to know them and they cease for work with those people, for begin enable them, for begin collect people their money for abroad, for chop them. So ladies and gentlemen, I think that is it with the update. We will go straight, but before one goes straight for these two primary presentation for today, I go on for talk with you now about one of La Republique du Cameroon, their terrorist forces, the way they can be captured by Ambazonian forces. The image come, will not give one the location of a lot of details, but for accountability for our people, we want to update them about this situation where that happened. This La Republique du Cameroon, they are Kelebe, they are terrorist forces, occupation forces. He entered for inside Ambazonia together with one soldier, one Ambazonian POW, where they be releasing actually na a thief man when a Ambazonian, where they be arrested for inside Ambazonia, then go lock it for inside Konengi. They release that prisoner. He come together with this La République du Cameroon, their military, as an undercover. Then come for inside Ambazonia for can trick Ambazonian forces them, for infiltrate them, for know their road where they go buy weapons them, and then for use that information for attack them and for kill them. Fortunately for our soldier, this undercover La République military man, they can rent house. Start begin talk say they want go do kidnapping for ransom. Then say they been a soldier, then to na amber soldier then. Contact another soldier and tell and say they want buy weapon. Me they help them and give money for their skin, they want buy weapon. Because they want come undercover. Unfortunately for them, they don't know how smart our people then be, as La République they always be. Then capture this one. Now the video, this is for a confession.
No, not pidgin. No, not nothing.
So now La République immediately this.
So you are pidgin, not for even rhyme to anything. You can say it now. You say it man or you say
Ekelebe deny Ekelebe. He prefer to talk say be that thief man. You be that thief man no. He say una see. Now the people in this La République una see una pikin. Any family for La République where they be taking their pikin for send for Ambazonia, me can be undercover now. This way they don't catch up. I would want to tell all La République du Cameroon the undercover officer them. Say na a matter of time, just like they don't catch this one, that's how we go catch una. Na just a matter of time. 99 days for a thief, 1 day for the owner. So for all francophone them, make una no send una pikin for Ambazonia, me the kind thing no happen for them. For all La République du Cameroon, their citizens them and their mercenary them, make una no say na just a matter of time. We go catch una. Una no fit win this war. American government it don't warn una. So una no fit win we for our territory. So make una hear.
I be chief man.
you be thief man. You can find gun for go buy now.
I don't give my money.
Yeah, you don't give money, but you want the time now. They say you be thief man now. But you not give no one IPG. That means they say when I say I can find CP right, no bother. All to they find you know. So
Confirm code. Wata na wata. So now one La République in Cameroon they troop that way they catch up inside Amazonia. Now one of them that. So we go one start. We go take una for our pikin them way they don't kill them for inside the Savannah state. It don't become now almost a usual story. Say every day La République du Cameroon their forces them, the terrorist forces them, they slaughter our youth. We don't get report from Ashong, from Gom, all those small villages where they live in enclave area them. Right for boom for Boa for inside Boyode. Say whenever they pass, they shoot people the way they even go for inside market, where they go for farm. Some people then they never see their family members. Sometimes they go meet up die, but the way they are already rotten. La République du Cameroon they commit act of terrorism, war crimes against Ambazonians on a day-to-day basis. The case for these 4 young men then, students, teenagers, in their 18. Now one of the case where it need to wake up all Ambazonians then, me they know why we will fight. This war will be start for fight this war. Now after La République du Cameroon, be kill Akum Julius for inside Bamenda, a youth for nothing. We talk say all for one, one for all. We must make sure say a foreign army no fit come for our house, come execute our pikin them at will with impunity. We need to put an end, we need to stand say it ends here, enough is enough. And I call on our people for Bamenda, me them rise up in protest, me them be courageous, organize themselves. We no go organize them for una. Organize ourselves to rise up and send a message to the international community, to the colonial governor and the foreign armies in our territory that you cannot use terrorism tactics on innocent civilians and think it is normal. No. We refuse to accept this normality. When I remember the time for Soweto, for South Africa, the protest march by the masses it be very crucial. We not rely solely on the Ambazonian forces. We must also rise up as a people if truly we need independence. It is collective. There is no shortcuts to victory. There is no shortcuts Our people must rise up. It not be normal, my country people them. It not be normal. I be very, very shocked. Say a picking 2 people couple there from my village. From my own village. For Bois. For Boyode, for Boom. La République du Cameroon. Together with some Bororo boy, the way they are mercenary them. They meet up people the way they come back for cattle market. Then catch them, put them for ground. One boy, one those stand up so. They shoot it for a chest with gun. Kill him at the spot. A woman 1 week up for camp for day, then choke a woman with knife. What a way for a person to kill a woman. For nothing. Kill them like that in cold blood. And for all my country people, their chat group, all man they fear for even talk about them. The family they fear for even talk about them. That means the Cameroon military fit come for your house as they come. Can't take your neighbor, kill them, go them. The family go come, don't cry and cry, go dig, go bury them. They go the fear for talk. They the fear for complain. They the fear for even give interview. See for Mato, after the massacre, the whole town run when they yesterday you and the camp. Now for tell una, say our people are living in slavery. Now which kind of life that? Where people they live every day, military fido can enter key man, military fido can enter rape man, military fido can enter seize your kako, professional military, authorized from above, sanctioned from above. This is their modus operandi, killing our youth on the street. We don't do our investigation for the youth the way they don't kill them for Bamenda. The 4 use them. Alucius, Kivo, Nelly, where them bury today for Bamenda. Sally and Bless. Now their picture and this. I go play on a video where they come for their burial. For inside Bamenda. The 4 picking them. Now students them for downtown GBHS Bamenda. All of them 18 years old picking them. Teenager look small picking them like this one. Military can't kill them. They begin like say they be Sumung Nambanga. Now they bury this. Now their classmate and this so they carry body for inside Bamenda. A classmate and that. Now Nelly classmate and that. Now a friend and that. Small picking them for that age. Now they go bury their friend. And they know exactly who them they instigate the killing of this picking them. They know exactly who they instigate them. Now they see the signal they bought the voices in the bushes. Because they know exactly. Say na Tanganji Paul. Mr. Paul Bia Bivondo. Na them. Na them be the murderer them. The genocide of them. Now then this. The people know very well who then they kill them. When a video and this they come up for the burial, I'll play the audio for the interview so that I'm gonna see, I'm gonna hear exactly. I don't want to play the burial. I want to put up the video of the town. One of the video they will be widely circulated. I think I play this one before I play the one for the burial, and then I will play the interview. Maybe gonna hear exactly for the boy their classmate them which way happened.
Stop picking them now. Oh, no, picking them. pay one day.
Now the people say they must pay one day. They must pay one day.
They must pay one day.
So the people that know very well who then be responsible for the killing of our pikin them. I go play the interview and I go also release them for WhatsApp. Maybe when I hear firsthand from the boy, their classmate, how La République du Cameroon, he goes to go kill them. The audio I go play on for my phone so that maybe when I hear, and then after that I go release the video for the Bamenda Brigade. Me then talk for now about the lockdown. So now the audio this.
Fellow Ambazonians, Ambazonian web. Well, La République can kill them. For instance, Bamenda teenagers. Fellow people of Ambazonia, Bamenda today bury Nelly, one of the teenager them, where then kill them for this fateful Saturday, number 23 day for this month for January, for instance, Meta Quarter for Bamenda. La République du Cameroon, as usual, forms story where then be highly reported by all newspaper them for Ground Zero. Say the 4 picking them, they be the consumed drug when La République du Cameroon they enter for inside that empty building where they kill them all. The division head for La République du Cameroon, the Ministry of Defense, Mr. Cyril C.H. Atomfak Nguemo, he then announced them, say the Cameroon military then consider those 4 picking them as terrorists. Now why that way then kill them? We don't take time to do our investigation. We want report for now exactly the truth for the sequence of events which leads to the death of these 4 teenagers. It then become almost normal for La République du Cameroon for enter people the house, kill anybody where they want them, torture anybody where they want them, seize anything where they want them, go away with them. This one a complete terrorism. These 4 picking them, their name na Lucius, one na Nelly, where they call Quivo, the other one na Sally, and one of them, the last one in name na Bless. Our people they don't go down for investigate them today. They bury Nelly, and we don't get privilege for discuss with family members, including some of their classmates. One of them that agree for talk and in anonymous, so we no go talk in name, for explain for the Ambazonian people and the world which way actually happened. According to information we'll get them, Lucius, Nelly, and Sally, they stay for Old Town. They be go visit their friend who named na Bless for Meta Quarter before they kill them. Usually, in addition for Cameroon military, they lie them where they did lie, say they picking them na amber. They journalists them for Ground Zero. Sometimes they easily join for cover up this crime by lying, say this picking them, they be the smoke na mbanga before they come meet up them for that empty house, then kill them. Now the picking a friend then this made them talk.
I wish kind of normal person like this no go they would shoot, you know, go run. But they were not smoking, and then the very some stories say they be amber. They know be amber. Not just normal old town picking. Now people that picking like that young blood. Now maybe no one among them is up to 27.
All the boys them, they be been a classmates them, all them na 18 years old, students them for downtown Bamenda.
Those boys, they were going to downtown, and you see Nelly Sally, they go downtown because me I changed where we go St. Veggie. Nelly Sally, they go downtown, and then what Bless and Lucius was like going to school, and they always be like, they always stay for quarter, the worker, They're not like, they don't be like all speaking, they don't be over 5 years speaking now.
These were just regular kids, good kids. They were not banker smokers. They were regular students in their 18, teenagers, shot dead by La République du Cameroun, their military.
Yes, they were not, that, my first road, how they feel to for this open area of the place. Should come. One person go for door for keep saying and wait till it happens. If the police come and also they will find way come off with it. If the police only see one the other person shoot it for door, nearly he shoot he hate for door, enter now, shoot the other people there. Alucious beg say he beg when they shoot my foot. They shoot Alucious foot now, carry when they carry the cops they will go actually and from there he surely die. So
The military did not only shoot one of them for door, they enter, they meet up the Pekin them, they arrest them, they even interrogate them from information or get them, and one of the Pekin them plead with the military, plead with them. Say me then for killing, me then better shoot if a foot. Then shoot the Pekin for up a foot, Alucious, before the one carry, if you see the video, had and carry through up inside the motor, before they reach hospital, the Pekin bida already die. That military people then get all medical kit for inside their motor them, where they for save that Pekin alive, if they be want them. So, as one of the year for background, this one a video where I record them live video call for the burial for Nelly, one of the 4 Pekin them, where La République du Cameroun, their terrorist forces them execute them at point blank for Meta quarters on Saturday, 23 of January 2021. More than 20,000 of our youth them that can be killed in this manner, starting from Akum Julius, picking them, where they kill them, maybe because they didn't carry gun, not just because they mail them, not because they Ambazonian them, they don't kill pastor, burn people them alive. This type of life, it not be normal. The fear we were people they live under, it not be normal. And they call on the people for Bamenda for rise up, for talk, make our mommy, our papa, they meet and rise up, then shout for the war. Say this is not acceptable. We'll not go accept terrorism tactics. For me, be a subjugated campaign with the military, make it become a regular practice where people that could feel say be normal. No. And we shall not give up an inch of our human dignity. Never.
So, fellow Ambazonians, that one at the interview with this our Pekin away then key them for inside Bamenda. 4 of them. They enter for inside a place. They not be the smoke banger from Asunaran here for the interview. They picking them 3 of them. They stay for Old Town. They will go for inside Metaquata for go visit one of their friends. They require say bless. Then go now for day where then that shooting start. As the shooting start, they run enter hide na inside the house. Then wait to the shooting down finish. So as they wait to me like Republic, according to it to the here, one francophone to be run enter for day. So they want try for spy. They nearly wait and kill it when they bury it today. He come for can spy for door for see what I think that be better. Now for they wait and shoot it for a head. He die. The military run can enter for that house, then catch all them alive. That way they start interview them. One of them discovered and say one na francophone. They let me go. They shoot the remaining 2. They shoot 2 of them. The one shoot the last one. Alucius. The Alucius became beg say me then shooting at a foot. I say over beg the military people them. Then shoot it for a foot. Execution. Small picking them like that. Teenagers. 18 years old. You go wonder what type of human being. These are trained military men doing this to young children. Some of those people then get their own picking them. Even they not get picking them once they be done be picking, or then get sister, then get brother, then get family. They no commander for 3, 4 for down. They execute our picking them like that. Only because they be Ambazonians. That is all. Because the one picking way be there for they talk French, they're letting me go. They're not be the smooth banger. And see how journalism for Ground Zero, they stop talking the picking be the smoke banger. So that many people then feel for their mind say somehow, somewhere there was some justification or a room for La Republic for feel say they will kill them. So now for tell when I wait till it happen for the media. As we talk say the revolution shall not be televised. We need to demand anything less than just fair journalism. We want journalism to be fair. Because it take us less than 1 day to do this they get an investigation, because not only the interview this will get them, but now the one this will allow me publish them. But we don't send people that we don't talk for quarter people, then talk for family people, then talk for all man. So if we will feed them, what not of the journalists then? Now the picking this way they don't kill them. Would they call on the people for Bamenda for protest, for rise up and demonstrate for the international community? Me they understand, say the La Republic they use terrorism on our civilians, innocent civilians. It be very important. It be very important. Me that protest it come from Ground Zero themselves. So ladies and gentlemen, now the reality that and now the reason that we fight, me this one remind every Ambazonian, especially those on Ground Zero, say no matter whether you join the Ambazonian resistance or not, La Republic to Cameroon, they go still end up for can kill you. Because then they na for a genocide. So why die like a sitting duck? Better pick up arms for defend yourself and your community. And the ultimate defense, now for fight me the La Republic to Cameroon, they leave our territory, we will get independence. Ultimately, that is the defense, self-defense we have to exercise to liberate ourselves from foreign occupation and take charge of the primary duty to protect and defend our state and to manage our state of affairs. Our technical team they send information. Yeah, so you see boys of La Republic, they kill their student, their teacher, they will knife. We don't see video where they kill their teacher, they will knife. No, that things they now ever say for Ambazonia. For Ambazonia, we honor our teachers. We go even help teachers for harvest corn. No matter what your background it be. Now so grow up, respect elders. We don't get these Turks in our territory destroying our homeland. So from there, I will take una now into the next thing we need to talk about, when the issue for concerning this illegal lockdown. I call them illegal because the people the way they give this lockdown, their main reason for give this lockdown now for destroy this revolution. You go ask me say why? Why? I go give una the reason then why did they do one for destroy this revolution. Facts. When I know say the one a no conny, we need to twist, talk them go and come, twist talk them round and round. We don't see Chris Anu and Sako, they don't be very consistent for destroy this revolution since they come for this revolution. That the people in this way, they don't try to take over Sisiko organization. They don't can hang for power, bring corruption. The only thing where they don't bring up for we for this revolution, now scandal upon scandal. From my trip to Boya corruption, to killing soldiers in Wui, to giving unnecessary lockdowns to destroy the whole thing. For instance, I see my computer get problem. I don't know why. For inside the Atlantic State, they ran turn Fako, reverse all the victory we get through General Mba Ivo. Fako ran be for place where I be very shocked. I be shocked as to the talk. Say for inside Kona and Munyenge, they no be get bullet them. They don't get bullet. But they don't talk, say they don't collect draft, they don't collect this, that call big money there. Chop them all. The other day, JK, they for inside social media, they say all to them. They talk they will collect 10,000 for format, they collect this money for A, collect money this for A. They do the same thing every day and every day. They steal money for people there. This one no be people that don't get any credibility. I go play the video from the general for Bamenda, how they then send a strong message for the population and they do a community mobilization, make all man remain and then do their job as normal. There will be no lockdown in Bamenda. For sure. All the forces, unanimous, there will be no lockdown in Bamenda. Be sure for that. But I want to sit talk for now, wait to wait this lockdown it do. Because when they give this lockdown, usually it cripple our force, our activity the way it go on. We'll get operation the way it go on. Now, either way we'll overvex. We'll get plan operation the way it go on for Bamenda. So this lockdown them, it come never can cripple we. And it just come a time where the straight at for Bamenda, they don't stand up with the revolution against all odds. When the Republic don't close their shed them. The Republic don't close their shed them. Business put their shed them. They struggle for open up. They don't pay a big sacrifice because they don't want to observe independent day lockdown. So now the one can lock down and instead all shop them. Indefinitely. Indefinitely. That's in the way they want to do. So what to all know say every time when the people they make this lockdown, they expose people that made them die. They send few people that made them go cash na my motor burn them. Burn to my motor. So the general they don't make a decision for Ground Zero, and I will play the video for the decision. But me gonna know say these people they not sabotage them. So my time I not go believe me say na sabotage them. Una remember Chris Anu, time where he say the United Nations, it try to can solve our problem. It is send audio, they talk to me where people they attack UN. Una feel imagine that? Who does that? Me they attack UN. By the way, before I forget, we ran grant passage for the United Nations. Their vehicle they go pass for our territory for go for a mission for instance Batibo. So the vehicle are two vehicle them. Now so the vehicle then they for instance Atina Bambui, the Rarish Bambui already. The two vehicle them now put up the organization this is the United Nations ran grant the access. They use two pickup truck. The number for the pickup truck now CD13015 and CD11471. We don't approve their passage. They will go for inside Batibo now. Then they for Bangui. They will go for go do their humanitarian work. So if any soldier then late, when see them, when I left them, they pass me, when I not even disturb them, when I not even talk for them. But we'll be sure say na clean people ready. The camp can do only their job. So my show now the sabotage really people that don't do them. Make una know the type of people and make una for Ground Zero in particular. Una know say no be people in this way. Una feel listen for them. So now Chris Anu this. Ma bring up a video. This one a person na a video this where he talk how he be ready for surrender for La Republic if they not give him money.
Very, very frank with you.
So now the Ichi Anu's this, or Chris Anu, whatever they call him.
We move on. You don't support it. We lay down our tools. I have to be very frank, very, very frank with you. There is no other way. You have to give your money. You don't give your money, we will lay down tools, carry our hands on our head, surrender to La République du Cameroon. Carry our hands on our head, surrender to La République du Cameroon. Carry our hands on our head.
So now the person that no be person this way who we fight for, no be person this way any man fit sacrifice his life or listen for them. Because for he, if people they not give him money, he go surrender for La République. No be any person will deserve our trust. For man for go surrender for La République, where he want send people that meet and go die. He want risk people their life meet and go die. But for he, if they not give him money, he go surrender for La République. Such a person no deserve the dignity for the Ambazonian fighter there for Ground Zero for even think for surrender their life for. Now he boss this. Ma play video for a boss. Now support this.
At this juncture, I would love to make this announcement. Our nation, the Sultan Cameroons, has been officially invited by the Fourth Committee of the United Nations.
So what you want the year way Sarkozy talk na absolute lie. The United Nations never invited Southern Cameroon. But now this the camp can stand for camera, look camera for eye. Lie say the United Nations that invite ye, me come for day. Not be only that. Lies, lies.
Our nation, the Sultan Cameroons, has been officially invited by the Fourth Committee of the United Nations concerned with decolonization.
Now wait. Where? Massa.
Our nation, the Sultan Cameroons, has been officially invited by the Fourth Committee of the United Nations.
So, they want to blackmail for the United Nations. These people, them, they don't get an understanding with Paul Biya for go do negotiation for Switzerland, for surrender Ambazonia for La République. That one will be the final nail to our coffin if this thing really people they fight for it happen. Now the thing they make and they fight so every day. Nobody say they fight for any other thing. Now for food and tight for their hand. The one can declare this lockdown so now for destroy the revolution, make our people then be discouraged. For can't punish our people for Bamenda, me will discourage, who accept defeat, me then carry we now go negotiate with Mr. Paul Biya for surrender. Seal our faith forever. Now they think that this way they do they don't get no credibility. Sometimes some man go feel say na mistake while they talk. Then plenty. I don't even feel stress my time to go through, play them all one by one, make our people then see them. But they talk say the one called lockdown for inside Bamenda. Now the Chris Anu this is talk about the general for Bamenda, General Gama. Now the Sarkozy is talk.
That were arrested.
Now the Sarkozy is talk after Chris Anu then talk me the arrest and kill 23 of our fighters then for inside Bui. The general for Mezam for Bamenda for the ADF, General Gama, is inside. Now it is talk. Then order me then kill Ambazonia fighters. Then kill them, bury them alive. Talk me then dig their own grave for inside Bui. Now the Sarkozy is talk about them.
We're doing. Fighters that were arrested, are they alive or dead? The truth is that a report was issued by the county government of La République. A report was issued, and it is out there. And after looking into the whole issue, this government spokesperson, Secretary Chris Anu, also went out and narrated gave the report to the people as it was. That was it was public knowledge, and so I don't even want to go there. Secretary Chris is here; he can just tell you again what is said. Maybe with this number of people here present.
So now the Sarkozy that the one come again for Bamenda. The one can talk to me the lockdown just for a full mop. When he talk me then kill the Bamenda general. Now he talk me then kill the general for Bamenda. Agama. Bury him alive. Can't talk to la Republic them. The same Chris Anu. Yeah, Sakona than that. Now people the way they try to spoil this revolution. When I feel things in that way don't pass. When I remember time where with the struggle, a lot of groups them, from the negotiation and dialogue group to EFI, the humanitarian, to many groups them, our State Department, where they don't help to lobby the American senator them, me then come out with a resolution for help stop the war with the Amazonia in favor of a negotiated solution for a final settlement of this war. Senator Cardin, for instance, America, he take the chance for sponsor a bill. For sponsor a bill. When I know what happened. The same Sako, he go make flyer. Ma put an omeguna siam. For try for blackmail. For try for blackmail Senator Cardin. Where you know say be against the ethics. For senator like this, for a state where they get a relationship with La République du Cameroon, America, he go take his face, a picture, join them for Insta sticker. When I lie, that senator not be aware. Publish and say that senator get a Zoom, a virtual meeting with them. Go begin to report, they say, now you do the diplomacy. This is a blackmail against the senator for try to spoil and stop the Americans them for grants. Help we go help we Amazonia. The other boy on a system they turn around strike the one you call an honorable equal except na they're already making a parliamentarian for Amazonia. He wants to then die. All man go die for the ground. But when I see people they do this type of things they happen for them. People they talk say una see. Not be even long. Now as we talk, the American president Joe Biden, the new administration where they come. It don't fill in an agenda where be pregnant for conflict like ours and where it will be favorable under Joe Biden. At the time where they hope and would expect they unveil their plan, every person where they don't put them from their Secretary of State to many other people they want to call their name. The same people then for this Sarkozy group they want sabotage them. Now image this. Ma puta me gonna say on office na sotana joke. Now image this. This lady for United States, Janet Yafort. Na person where he get relationship I think with Cameroon. Na Cameroonian. They are appointed as part of Joe Biden administration. Now this one they call an Akimi Ashu. They go direct people them and bazamzam them. Me them go for this woman page. Go harassy. For try to create animosity between the Joe Biden team and the Amazonian people. For spoil the relationship for Nyaa. Anything where they go now for Nyaaram. They don't see how they succeed with Ghost Town. They don't see how our women them. They rise up for Bamenda for challenge the occupation forces. Now even the one can spoil them. Now spoilers them. Agents provocateurs, destroyers them of Amazonia. So me gonna understand who are these people them be. When I see Grandpa for Bali don't reject them. The forces them for Meme don't reject them. The one for Fako, the one for Ndian, they don't reject them. All money it don't clear. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will play the video from our general for Mezam. We are sending a strong message for these people, them for diaspora. Not be all man for diaspora, this particular group of people for diaspora, where they are owner for destroy the revolution for ground zero. Now the video this, ma play from our general for Mezam. This one are the people than this, where them be in charge for Bamenda, now the soldier than this. They don't be forced to come out for make a video, for talk for themselves, and for send a clear message for our people that for Bamenda, say nobody is no go enforce them. After after the general, he go talk. I go tell una the resolution the way they don't decide them. So that make all man be confident to go about their normal day-to-day business. Me all transporter them, they continue to do their transportation work from all across our territory. Make all business it go as planned and make the rally, what we call them, make it happen to stand up for these 4 picking the way they don't kill them and for all the other people they don't kill them for inside Ambazonia.
Okay, Ambazonian people. My mommy, my father, today, Wednesday, the 27th January 2021 for Ambaland, ground zero. The one at the Bamenda Brigade with some mezam. Our papa them no. I will call them Bamenda Brigade. So fly news don't go off on social media. They talk about Ghost Town. I don't even know when the Ghost Town even start. Now we will there for ground zero. Now we the pass our order. There is no Ghost Town. Me any mommy, any parent. We too refuse our pains. The same as on refuse our pains. Muna go on our activities them. For that day they say that I Ghost Town, I go on activities them. And if anybody disturb una for that day, una get into the Bamenda Brigade will solve una problem. That day, the Bamenda Brigade is waiting for Issa Bamenda, Mezam. The only Ghost Town. For now, I recognize them. Now Monday. For now, there's no other Ghost Town till further notice. Mama and my papa them. I beg for everybody. I come out to make this video. I will clarify. I will make una not get no fear. When I get the courage to go out with our activities them. At ground zero, where they so. I don't fear no man. Anybody. We go try with the step. Or mommy them, or pa them for that day, or sister them, brother them for that day for the say they say with that people talk saying a Ghost Town. They will be severely punished. So I thanks everybody out of the Ambaland. And the Bamenda Brigade is shall live the struggle, long live Ambazonia. Thank you very much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonian at home and abroad, now the general that the overall commander for Mezam, he then deliver a message for all Ambazonia people. All the forces have been consulted, the population have been consulted, all the traditional authorities that have been consulted. We don't talk say there is no Ghost Town. Make all man he go around a business as usual. Any man will go harass any civilian. May the person in contact we directly for action. We shall intervene. Whether it will take how long, we will find that particular person, we will bring that person for book. Because all the generals for Bamenda, our sister generals, the associate generals, and the forces right from Mankon, from Bafut and Mankon, they don't be consulted and all they don't reject this Ghost Town where they be imposed upon our people, where it be unnecessary, they be counterproductive. It can be rejected. The resolution it be solid. Any soldier or anybody where they go pay, make you burn man in moto, make you attack any businessman, make you stop any person where they for road, you shall be held accountable accordingly. So any person, as we don't talk, where you go take charge for any person, or if you take money for you, even after this lockdown. After this ban lockdown, say you don't violate so-called lockdown, we will punish you. We will catch that person, we will punish that person. Now the resolution that way they don't be passing for ground zero. We don't always notice say these people then they go pay some few people them. These people they go harass now all the people they support the struggle. Not be even La Republic, not be even blacklegs them, but they go target na the struggle. One way they support the struggle for attack them. So now the resolution that way they don't conclude them. We know 1 minute lockdown, it can cripple our activity them and our operation the way they go on for Bamenda. Make all man begin go around in day-to-day job, especially as we plan for make a massive demonstration for inside Bamenda for concerning these 4 picking the way they don't kill them for Meta Quarter. So make all man ignore those people the way they don't call this lockdown and go about their day-to-day life. Now assurance this for una general. Now the people that this back for Bamenda. When I see machine the way they carry them. No be play this, no be play for play. Oh man know who be General Cobra. When they don't talk, they don't talk. Man way one get canas me, go try. We know say La Republic go try for enforce or for see this one like a loophole. For till people here coerce our people them. For make sure say me be like say ghost town go day. So me gonna be very cautious. When safety come first. I repeat, when safety come first. Beg me all man he go out. Me no man he no fear. She shake he no day. No man no go disturb una. No man no go disturb una. And it be very important. Me go demonstrate for ground zero for Bamenda. As Bamenda na the capital city na the example for Ambazonia. Me then show the international community say they stay at home and going out no be na a random issue, but na a well calculated demonstration for separation, for the will of separation and the demand for independence. So it be very important. And I will reveal something for here where I not want to reveal them yet. But I think say the leader of our liberation, Dr. Cho Ayaba, he done already alludes to these facts. What I go on for tell now. If our population then demonstrate very clearly, all man go for work, all man do things normally, as they put in place the transitional authority, a means for regulate the activity of our boys in this next phase of our revolution, where they go to govern the area the way they did it in a transitional manner. This is not a contemporary government or a government or an institution that is claiming to have exclusive power of governance, because we believe there can only be a government with exclusive power of governance when they are duly mandated by the people through democratic means. So in this interim period, we are instituting a transitional authority that powers lies in the hands of the general. Whether they will choose to put a civilian or a military person, but the person will be at the disposal of a general, so that there will be no conflict, no power fighting over this issue. And in any area where there are multiple soldiers, an arrangement will be made. It is not a one-size-fits-all. The transitional authority is not a one-size-fits-all, but it is a well-designed program to give law and order across our national territory. The one in other areas have already been put in shape. They are getting shape, so that arrangement will be made. So our people will be able to collect tax and be able to meet up with the day-to-day management of the soldiers. That is regulated and it's transparent. Not some babacting way they collect money for sending for diaspora. No. It will be reasonable, and we are forced to do so. One of the reasons that we are even in this position is because some people have already come with the issue of government, and the soldiers have already been having arrangement with people that they have to collect money. So our hands are tied. They will have a regulated and a mechanism where we can oversee and make sure that it is not abused and protect our business people, so that they know so one man can knock a door for night for ask you money, another man can knock a door again for night for ask that same person money, and no man who can kidnap some person because the person never give money, and no man who can give some kind huge sum of levy will not be reasonable for our people, because you go get the civilian themselves for she don't down together with the soldier then come up with some reasonable thing depending on the financial capability and the economic activity of the people in that area. Our people them, our forces them, with the transitional authority, go set a tax for every foreigner, in particularly La République du Cameroon, their citizens them, around our territory. If all things goes on well and our people them perform in a very high sophisticated manner during this morning of the 11th February day. We go even go further for push the agenda for stop the ban of brasseries drinks. We already there in the consultation phase. The War Council is already consulting. The Governing Council Policy Bureau is already having the file. But we need our people on ground zero to demonstrate some level of sophistication in thinking so that we can be confident that the symbolism of this ban for brasseries will not affect the whole conduct and the other pillars of the revolution. Because already we have the beer from Guinness is already coming in. They are still paying tax to La Republique. So why not we tax these goods? And we are going to forbid and ban any Francophone citizen from participating in this economic activity, from transporting these drinks, be it their trucks, be it their workers, because now our citizens, they don't lost business of Francophone. And this uplifting of the ban against brasseries, it will generate economic activity them, vibrant activity them within our cities and our villages during this time of our liberation. War does not require just chaos. No. This is a war against occupation. It's similar to the apartheid war, even though not the same, but there is a lot of similarities because we are now yoked with this La Republique illegally. So make our people to understand that these things are in consideration by the leadership. And it be important me then demonstrate to give confidence as the leadership trust the people their judgment, say they will come true. So make all man go out tomorrow, after tomorrow, live their normal life, do their businesses. Me will encourage all man, call me. Now my number that it be up now, people that feel call from ground zero. People that feel call from ground zero for talk. But this way to around the talk, I'm not between where it don't be enforced. Now those two will be in consideration. The leadership did consult. They will need to consult other leaders them as well. So that is enough for that part. My phone number will be open for people that will talk. For free call for make their say. For the meantime, there are other issues than where I want to adjust them. We don't talk about the issue concerning the thing for Mr. Yerima as they don't start their launch their project and some questions that don't be raised, reasonable questions them. I want to bring up here for let una know and for send a message for people them. Me then be very, very careful how they do respond for critics. When people they criticize you sometime, not be because of any ill intention, not because they get reasonable question the way they need answers for. Because once anything comes for public space, people then get right for debate, people then get right for give their opinion, especially thing where get a potential for affect the whole conduct of our revolution. Yes, PS.
Yes, DDC.
Yes.
Is they live?
Are they live? Yes.
All right. Are they on speaker?
You don't on speaker on hand free, not on speaker yet. But I think everybody can hear you. Okay, just a minute.
All right, sir.
So we get the PS, our press secretary here online. Let me connect with the speaker so that he can go ahead and address everybody. So, Mr. PS, you are live on the No Connie Talk show. March fire.
All right. First of all, DDC, Ambazonia FBI, Mr. Senspas King, look up. I want first of all thank you plenty for the great work we do and for our people there, for all the investigation we do and for expose La Republique of Cameroon and the infiltrators and the criminal within our war of liberation. My brother, I want to thank you plenty. Secondly, I make this call for also support and for thank our general for the Bamenda Brigade for the strong message where he don't send them out today for assure our population, for assure our business people there, for assure our mommy there, for assure all our material people there. 600,000 people there where they live around the city of Bamenda for assure the
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
Hold on.
Their day-to-day normal activity and only respect that the normal country Sunday. And they talk this one one talk. I want to thank you for the good work.
Thank you so much, PS. Hello. Sorry, the volume go down again and then it go up. I've been struggling to connect with the speaker. And finally, I did connect with the speaker. So I guess we also have some generals with the send me audio concerning that this thing for Bamenda. I don't know whether I'm going to play this one. Well, if we get call, any person if we call right now, the lines are open. So we'll get some other commander, they send audio. All man be very wounded and they ask all man come out for our side tomorrow to do their normal things. We'll get the caller.
Hello.
Hello. You are on the No Connect Talk show and you are live. Match fire.
Thank you very much. I want to thank you for the plenty articulation, for the revelation, and also for the encouragement to our people and for letting them know exactly what they have to do. You know, the highest thing our people need not only this education, and I believe that our TV channel, it give them that knowledge this time. You know, first time they know the understanding way they happen. And I want to say, may we design this policy for continuously educate them, reveal all these things the way it be hidden. They know because they feed them with lies on the Alphabet TV and the one for you, the CR TV, when that's still the same TV. So I thank you very much for the education. And concerning the lockdown, our general don't already talk. So it then left now for our people for either listen to wait away their general, he don't talk way, it they with them for ground zero, or they go listen for infiltrator, them for diaspora, where they don't kill all their children up to today. They never explain what it happened for their children. I remember sometimes back where Chris Anubi interviewed General Agaba. Do you still remember sometime where some plane be happen for Bamenda? So the Chris Anu interviewed this guy. So which day if you don't turn the La Republic against something you kill it?
Exactly. And
you know that plane incident where it happened for Bamenda where now General Agaba bring down that plane. And now the same general way you kill Chris Anu. Anyway, the day of reckoning will come and all man will stand answer. All man will stand answer. No man will be above the people. We know the deal now with Cameroon where you go just sit down for some place, check, say you get all power. And Bazonia no go there like La Republic where you go sit down dictate. You know, you sit down for your room, make the talk say, go start must day without the people's knowledge. Because you know, say you go can't impose, some people go fear. No, we don't define for that kind of system. We define for system like America, where a fish you don't pick my phone, call president, question me, criticize it. Because I want the clear answers for things I know they understand. Now the system that way we define for now, why that we define La Republic? And we don't see the file La Republic get the same system among we and we pamper them. You know, and you see some big people for them, they talk, say they be professor, they be doctor, and they look there and they laugh. It says person we don't go school. It get for nothing where it be truth. Because if I see those people, it then like they abuse education.
That's true.
They abuse education.
Oh, sorry, comrade. I think we had to cut the comrade because we have a caller from Ground Zero.
Calling from Ground Zero.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes. You are on live on the No Connect Talk show. Give your opinion. Can you reduce the volume of the device that you are watching on Facebook so that it does not interfere? If you reduce the volume, if you get... Hello,
are you getting me?
Very well, but for your back...
Yes.
Would you get background noise because it's like one of your phone they watch me for TV or not for Facebook? So reduce that one.
No, the big problem is the manufacturer of this phone. That is the problem.
Okay, go ahead. Match fire.
Yeah, so I'll be very happy and encourage you with you. I don't see them, but I always more problem where get them na say, especially we around this Fako area, some of us try to do 1 or 2 things sometime on our own, try to contact, but no people need try to see, and the discipline where I see, they try to put on for Bamenda. Why not extend here? And some of us they are available, but where it come, like even the Shan thing, we try to do our own kind of way, but sometimes conflict it can be inside the thing. So now I really want to ask us why if you extend for this side to the whole arm, especially me at the present in Nibe.
Okay, I'll give you an example.
Okay.
Without what so that the ground they don't mobilize themselves, they don't come together, we don't encourage them. The Ambazonian World Council, it don't sponsor them. We don't not the only
follow you.
Yeah.
Again.
We be the only group that sponsor them.
Again, I come back for Nigeria immediately. I discover and say all these things don't take place. The people that still there where they act and do many things on behalf of this city, they never ever report them. Where even the management will really limit even be sometimes is their personal effort. Yes.
Now the main thing I say also that might tell you something. La Republique, their agent them for ground. Their business partner them. They don't bribe some few individuals so that the way they will be inspired initially for start fight. So one the way they be actually be for some groups them, me then come out talk say they want be alone, they want to be by themselves, they don't want be the group thing, they don't want to join a group thing. But the mistake and the trouble way they for them I say, you know if you fight war by yourself, because the solution for this war not be military one. It go end now for diplomacy. So any soldier must fight the support the diplomacy. And you know if you support diplomacy by your being alone, you need to join a group where you get a diplomatic wing so that your action is going to empower that group to accomplish the goal for independence. Maybe should not you one. Which way they do you talk say some man not even know. You need even the leadership they not know. How they feel push way to way they do for the international community that face me the CISO to win. You see no? So all man need to join the political a group where you get political win or associate with them so that it will be better for achieve way to where you want them when are independent. And then you talk to some problem there for inside Atlantic Zone day. Tell me the problem where you talk say day for day.
I say if you feel recall, you'll notice say some person call you say they eat go Nigeria on behalf of other scope and so on some time ago.
For scope.
Where we try if
I remember you did you've been at that soldier way when I would open some group for inside Victoria, you will call me say you want to go for some training. Say them after Milani group they want to recruit you for some training. Now you be that boy.
Voila.
Okay. I remember. You see, I get very good memory.
Nigeria. I don't go even for the very ADF project. I go like hang for Nigeria, this and that. So when we say and so say, they work on that side sometimes they used to say bias day inside this program.
No. Most of our command, our general for Fako na picking for Fako. And we need to train picking the people for Nigeria. Our training then for inside Ambazonia. We need to train people for outside. Our measure comes and be all across our territory, and we recruit mainly we prioritize picking them for any area where we recruit for that area. So we don't get anything like tribalism. The problem I say some people they don't use tribalism to actually make the whole defense thing be porous and infiltratable, so that like Republicans spoil things over there. No be saying that we decide say no me will withdraw or our participation for some particular area. Even our camps and way they for inside Fako day.
Okay.
We be done even redeploy some of them. Some of the guys that they fight for inside Bamenda and are picking over Fako. Remember that one? So we deploy and redeploy. Send troops over this side, send troops over this side. We find a national battle. We'll be a nationalism. We're not there for tribe. We need to see ourselves like tribe. Me are the coordinate for inside Fako like the deputy defense chief. But no, other than bought me for Boya. But I be picking for Boyo. Even though my village na Boyo.
I know.
Even though my village na Boyo.
I know very well.
I be Bamenda boy. So
I know.
Ma answer the call. General, the call for ground. Hello, General.
Yeah, for afternoon.
You the call so you are they live and all man the hear you how you talk.
Say you dey with
Are they live? No, but
I don't get problem. What all man here with you at the talk about no matter anything.
Okay,
the
go ahead, General. Go ahead. All man listen for you.
For the thing, say why you not send up a group?
Okay, they come out send up
all the group. We will send up all the group there so that me spread around.
Okay, pa.
I know say everything alive. No be all man.
Figure
that. Know it they go on. So you need to send up a group. So that for inside the group then they'll share them. So that me they will pay them. Me they see them.
Me so man no.
Yeah. Tomorrow they come, they go up with their activities them. You know say no ghost town, you know they.
Confirm, General. Well, communication department immediately when I stop, usually they go cut the part them, and then they will make them for audio. They will take the other one, they will make them for where we go be light. The data will be light, and then we will share them.
Okay, so that one to not get problem.
Yeah.
I'll make up for a short way, even make a mean with people that me they know me they be well.
Yeah,
so
me
they ghost town. There's nothing like a ghost town.
Yes. I would also encourage people to meet and come outside for protest. So all man for instance Bamenda, some few driver they don't call me where they for instance La Republic for Douala ya on the way they don't come for inside Bamenda they ask question whether they will come. I don't tell they say me they come, me no man no fear. No,
me said I don't receive that call. The driver they Douala ya on the. Me I don't tell they say they be free for come in. Confirm. I mean not disturb them for road.
Confirm.
No man over the top Palava ghost town. Any man we call hold the road top Palava ghost town. My number be available at any moment. If feel free for call them, I will attend to them.
Confirm.
They out now for them. Or not they out now for them. Not for punish them instead.
Confirm. And people then too. People they will open because I don't talk for some mommy then too for mommy they from Jama all mommy they will vegetable them. They be complain whether they will go for farm or not. I don't talk most of them will go farm. So that confirm I say most of them will go farm. Tomorrow all things will be normal.
Yeah, no Allah. So give them the courage.
Yes.
To go on with the activities then. Because there is nothing like ghost town. Only ghost town now they recognize them. Only the Monday day, as we all will know that one. Only the Monday ghost town. But anyhow, I go feel if you now because I get a call one if I ask Saram.
Okay, General. Your place day. So now our general that the overall commander for Mezam, the Bamenda Brigade head, that's the tip of the spear. As soon as see na green beret. Green beret missing at the tip of our spear. When I remember that first when they march they day with the Supreme together, so that they should down for table, for big table, for inside Ambazonia, they make this critical decision them and tactical decision them as they map the way forward. So our people they make una get courage. Me all man get courage. No man no go worry una. The people the way they make that mob, then they now arrive for Maryland, they no get no man for ground zero where he go do it the way they want me to do it. Yes, we know say La Republic too they go come out the try for fighting people they meet and she don't for us so that means they say confusion day. But unity that already come. No man no go touch una. The mommy the way they don't go they'll sell tomato them. They already go for get tomato. Jama woman they already they all man that already agree so no say all thing will be fine. But once they give courage for people them, say me all man come out tomorrow all thing go day as usual. She shake day. All man in place a day. So I will stop the show if unless we get another call, and then I will get a WhatsApp version for that video so that our people they go fit share them wide and be courageous for no say the soldier them for ground zero don't talk. And this one an opportunity for now. We know so we don't always keep the Bamenda Brigade in the shadows. We never ever talk me them come out this way, but they don't come out now. So we're gonna see these are una soldiers. This is the hope of Ambazonia. These are the tip of our spear. These are the selfless individuals where they don't forgo their life with their family. They don't forgo the pleasures of the war to sacrifice themselves and put themselves in harm's way to fight to liberate our homeland. So may God keep them fine, give them victory in battle, and make we for abroad in particular who do our own sacred duty for donate When I see for down there na TTOF, he address that. When I go for there, when I donate. If man no fit donate, when I call Lucas Ashu, when I donate for Lucas Ashu directly, or for Mama Wali, he go reach down for the soldier them. He go reach in form of material, and we go arm them as much as we fit do them for the liberation of our homeland. So I want to thank all now for participate for this show. Make we continue. We'll get big success and way if we're in front. We'll be very, very happy with the shape of the international discourse concerning our struggle, and our diplomats they work hard and they make sure make our case be presented. Our international partners they are motivated, and it be crucial. It be very crucial. Say me things them go as normal for inside Bamenda. It be very crucial. So me Oman go around when I spread the information, when I talk for Oman go outside, Oman go for a walk, Oman do a business, when I do things them as soon as I want them. Transportation they already go. So we not say motor that they enter from Bafoussam, from Douala, Yaoundé for La République them. Transportation they go to come in. For general they don't assure una. If una need any assurance, I think this is it. So without any call, I think we'll go just close the show. There's no question to answer, and when I'll continue for Watch We, I will give time for our communication department for cut me off from the national TV. So we'll leave the time on me the TV to go on. If some person begins some specific issue we want to address them, if we bring her up, maybe we'll address them. So I don't read that message. So all Monday fine, and I will be very happy when I see the explosive will be happen for Bamenda as a reprisal attack for this killing of our youths them. I think that the message this way, this SG, our Secretary General, he don't put them outside for inform the public say that attack for inside Bamenda be been a reprisal. We're going to be more aggressive for tell when I wait to the do them, because some people they talk sometimes they do A, or they do B, or they do A. And some person they text me, say my answer question about they talk say they will call me from the ABC, but somebody they ask question. Just give me 1 minute, technical stuff. Somebody they ask the question again about this rubber gun issue where everybody talk am. And they talk say would you just ask ask reasonable questions them where every time where something they come for public. And maybe not say would ask them for even the ADF. When I remember when the ADF he launched they talk about the voting of the president, the new term for the president for the AGOF-C. A lot of people, them including the members of the AGOF-C, you get strong voices like Woman of God, Madame Immaculate. She come out very strong and said that she doesn't want the election. What is election all about? The AGOF-C did not respond by insulting her, send people to go and insult her, but they explained the point why they need to do what they are doing. That is what we expect from gentlemen. Not sending out people to go here, insult here, come to my Facebook, make comment, say this one, say this one. We don't want that. We don't want that, because trust me, if the IG go of Siseko goes that way, they are done. They are done for real. Because if I come out and talk about that organization, it is done. It is done. First of all, I was a founding member of that organization. I was appointed in the ESCO of Siseko to save the revolution, to save the IG. Me and Lucas, we basically gave legitimacy to the APNC. There are things where no one talk them, where it not be necessary. But if they continue to provoke and insult, they will show that there is a need to do that, because that will be bad faith. That will mean that we should even be concerned. We don't need a pulpit leader. Gabila have said it. Dr. Gabila in South Africa have said it. Siseko Ebini have raised question about the IG. What is going on? They are not doing anything. Now you want to raise fund for Robagon. To raise fund for Robagon. We are not shooting birds here. We are not shooting birds here. You want to raise an army? It's a good thing. Go and raise your army, but we don't want this thing when you collect money here, go and bribe a soldier here. We don't already try to bring soldiers them together. If your intention na for go begin take money, can't give that same soldier them. Now na go give for General Hassan for Bui 60,000. Me buy chop. Start talking now, organize our soldier them for inside Bui. We don't know how many million the ADF pump for those organizations. So we have to raise those questions to make sure that we have set that standard and that rule, that this is what we cannot accept. So going forward, you know what you can do, you know what we will not accept, you know where you will be challenged. We will not stop anybody or any organization for doing what they want to do. But nobody can stop us as well from raising legitimate questions. These are legitimate questions. These are not insults. These are not attacks. These are positive questions that they need to come up with answers. So the next time they make PIN, I will say things that are not supposed to be said about the IG, and that will be they will be done. The IG will be finished. I will tell things that I am not supposed to say about the IG, and they'll be finished. Because we actually think that Siseko being in jail will really help Ambazonia by giving sympathy if he play like Mandela. But if he don't want to play like Mandela, he don't want to turn a liability, then he will become really weighty AB. When I remember, when I people for IG, when I remember how many times they can beg me. When I left the organization up for Pampa and made them like JC, they work and make people then like Don Pacho. Siseko deserve better service than that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll close the show now. I think they'll cut off from ACN now. Oh yeah.
Menemo. Bamata. Tikera sineta na orangu. Tibakera sineta wangu. Mbaguru wumna matuzi burka werin banyat. Mbaguru chuba mina barabat. Menemo. Sasa no menyu metana ngubra tongo. Aya uzene ngwene ze bajenga bongo. Abinga gume chinka ba nya enjo. Ka enje maye kumami wa tongo. Azwa kung aya soze wa cho. Ngwene zara atemba brangra ze finga tuwa mandega wa cho. Fako. Yezangana jiga gawa. Oh, wamata. Ninga gazo che tu menyivri nyere. Zweti yen, chen on a choso kwa vukom kaner. Sa korman biya makaze matem ner. Roba wado, tiaze afagara gwe kumbanga trosa. Chita ba wu makakumba ba wu. Ba mgwe nanjirambeng ba yenda nien sote tuza. Wanga bana bea omba mami baba buren ba mabena niya fibe. Mare nang forme kasarami kukwa ban fibe. Agunda sine burfu kerabo manevre gwa fo nang twena jimne. Ay, chichi awafa aduma ajeju zabazu izu ubana tongne. Azizi gunde burfu kuyato chichi ni yen bamazu gwa tumbe bo forugumbe gara nyombunga tuwaza to. Girite geng awa yende kona. Basa pena bazima nasifa fini agana sira che winne ngwan fa bazui. Gwega mochi wit agana sira chupzo ba chichi mbanzi. Wang ni ye jang ye wuzu mbrasi azera mangbu una ngwana za basa chinge. Mbankono ni kana fima za bachia tuwa na baza chwa manipsa suisu nga na wagirita kwa. Ngwen fa be ewa wasa baranjinige ayawa wenoka kaba siga wanjirige. Tuwaza panda akaye kombambeng amano awazurungar banbeng. Tu machiga awa karangom kabani ingom nutinga uniform chibiko. Chia toothbrush akaba sapsong tanu asoba. Ama sobo sofe chimini ba benjim nenga jakwa achiraza king. Ama sonyota mengne mama nang ma achu sayanda kopa asama samwa tu manipsa tinanga. Afaninga ambot kwa abata feng nimbe finge be bor krona. Anini ben aten frank na zona chok. Kene baba women a wuro banda tumba changut. Manamo. Bagre chuba mina borabot.